Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to disable some apps on your phone which are very dangerous, right? You need to actually disable those apps, right? So the first one is right in your Play Store where you do install different kind of apps, right? So the first thing you have to do is, you see that your profile above your screen, you have to click on that and scroll down a little bit. You see help and feedback, click on that and wait for it to load up, and you just have to search help and you search delete. You don't worry, you're not deleting anything. We're going to be using that feature. Delete apps from your Android device. Click on that. You see this tap to go to application settings. That's what we actually need. Click on that and wait for the apps to load up. So you have to click on this, just scroll down a little bit to look for bookmark. You're not going to see it, so you have to actually change it to system, show system apps. Okay, and you're going to see that. So you cannot look for your bookmark. All right, you can see right here, bookmark provider. Click on that and you are going to actually clear up the cache and also disable it. Yeah, you have disabled this app. So after this one, you have to go to your main phone settings and scroll down to apps, right? So these are your apps. You have to click on those three dots, click on permission manager and scroll down, click on nearby devices and click on those three dots, click on choose system, and you have to disable Android setup. You have to don't allow, click on that. And the next one is Android system intelligence. You have to don't allow this, as so you have to do that. So after doing this, your phone is going to run smoothly. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.